Bienvenidos. Welcome to Spanish course. Today we are going to talk about the subject pronoun, los pronombres personales. For the first person singular, we have yo, which means I. In plural, we have two, nosotros, and nosotras. Both of them mean we. Nosotros is for all male group or a mixed group of male and female. Nosotras is for all female. In second person singular, we have tú, and usted. Both of them mean you. In plural, we also have vosotros, vosotras, and ustedes. So all four mean you. And one thing that is very important that you need to know, tú and vosotros or vosotras are informal. For your friends, your family, usted and ustedes is formal. For third person, we have él, which means he. And we have ella, which means she. In plural, we have ellos, and ellas. Both of them mean they. Similar to nosotros, we use ellos for all male group or a mixed group of female and male. And we use ellas for a group of all female person. I also know in English, we also use pronoun it. In Spanish, it's not technically a pronoun. What I mean is English use it, but in Spanish usually doesn't. So here they are all. Let's say them again. Make sure you repeat them as well. Yo, nosotros, nosotras, tú, usted, vosotros, vosotras, ustedes, él, ella, ellos, ellas. And here I also have some example for you. Yo tengo 30 años. Yo tengo 30 años. Tú eres alumno. Tú eres alumno. Ella es guapa. Ella es guapa. Nosotros vivimos en Barcelona. Nosotros vivimos en Barcelona. Vosotros habláis español. Vosotros habláis español. Ellos son de Camboya. Ellos son de Camboya. So that's it for today. I hope you learn all of the pronouns and see you next time.